Hey everybody, Bry here. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, please think about hitting that like and subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. Glad to have you back. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Custom Dynamics Gen 4 lights. These are the amber white lights. I've been very excited to add these to the Harley-Davidson. For those of you who've seen my other videos, I'm a huge fan of Custom Dynamics. As you can see here, super simple to install. You just need a slot-headed screwdriver, pop off those lens covers for pop off the amber covers, and as you can see, classic Harley-Davidson, right? They give you the Daymaker light, and then they give you these crappy incandescent bulbs. This is the fix. I think you're going to be blown away by the difference. So to install them is pretty simple. Pop them out, find the top indicator. You're going to just line that up, make sure you're putting them in straight. You're going to line the little nipples up in there as you pop the light in. You're going to push it in, give it a little twist. And they're going to lock into place for you. Now all you need to do is just spool up the wire. They have some excess wire there, so you just want to lightly rotate it, obviously not too hard. And make sure that when you're finished that the top indicator is facing up. Once you have that aligned, you just want to press on the light panel there lightly. As you can see, I got a little out of a line there, needed to make some adjustments. And we're just going to pop this clear cover on. Now, these are the Harley-Davidson branded covers. That's what they had in stock. So I wanted to get it done. But Custom Dynamics also does make a clear one. They also make smoke if you want to do that as well. You just give it a little pop, make sure it's on there tight, and you're good to go. How's that for an easy install? Now, here's where you see the difference. The Custom Dynamics on the left. A lot of bugs on my bike in the center. And then you can see the standard incandescent bulb there on the left. I'm sorry, on the right light. And you can see the difference. It's just night and day. Now here's with both of them in. They run white, so you have a second set of running lights, which I think is phenomenal. Now we're going to throw the four ways on. You can see them. You can just see how bright they are. It's and you'll see in the shots later at night just how ridiculously bright they are. I've been really impressed with all my Custom Dynamics lights. They have a lifetime warranty. They're super easy to install. I have spoken to their support with some questions, whether it was pre-sale or post, and they've been fantastic. And this is just that extra thing that for safety. Not only, is it important to be heard on a bike, but it's important to be seen. And I think the more light you have and the more dazzling light, to be honest, you can see compared to the Daymakers just how bright these lights are. They're a phenomenal upgrade. They cost all in, I think, about $129 with the lens. Here you can see them at night, and you can see that they're on par, if not brighter, than the running lights on the side. So here they are in their white configuration. Now they're in the turn signal configuration. They really add a lot of illumination to the bike. You definitely feel a lot more safer with them on there. And again, a real simple install, something Harley-Davidson should have done from the factory, but well, they didn't. So this is the front lights now that I have for yellow and amber. As you've seen my other videos, I also have the filler panel lights, as well as the rear brake light, as well as the strobe system that allows my brakes to strobe. Certainly makes you a lot safer on the road. So I say go out and purchase it. I think you can be really pleased. As always, thanks for taking the time out to watch. Stay safe out there. Have yourself a great day.